Hi guys, this is Lisa Gonzalez here with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort. I'm going to be showing you how to use your navigation system on your Chevy MyLink system. So you're going to go to navigation first. Playing around with it, you can zoom in, you can zoom out on your navigation, you could reset back to the original screen. You have your menu for all of your favorites and current traffic and anything like that. But we're going to do destination. So your destination is just pretty much where you're going. We'll do a point of interest. We'll do a point of interest nearby. So got a couple of different categories you can choose from: your fuel, your food, restaurants, schools, shopping centers, anything like that. So we're just gonna go make it pretty basic. We'll go to food and nightlife. Gives you a bunch of different categories on different restaurants. So we'll click restaurants. We'll do fast food, and we'll go to Subway. Now when you click the point of interest, it's gonna give you your estimated time arrival, how far it is, what the address is, and you have the option to call it too. All you do is press go.
The route calculation is complete.
And then that is your point of interest on your navigation system for a 2018 Chevy Equinox.